Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Headlight Kia Rio, full guide. Open the hood, disconnect the negative battery terminal, remove the headlight access cover, unplug the bulb connector, and replace the bulb with a matching H7 or factory replacement. Secure the cover and test the beam alignment. I will walk you through safe, step-by-step actions and common pitfalls so you can finish confidently. Gather tools and prep before you start so the job is smooth and safe. You will need gloves, safety glasses, a flathead screwdriver, a socket set, replacement bulbs, and a clean cloth. Park the car on level ground, engage the parking brake, and ensure the engine is cool. Keep the new bulb in the box and avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure. Lay out parts in order and have a trash bag for old bulbs. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more car DIY tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, great for cleaning workshop floors between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. I may earn a small commission that helps produce videos. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the headlight access cover and any retaining clips. Keep track of small fasteners. Disconnect the bulb connector and gently twist or unclip the bulb from the housing depending on the fitment. Insert the new bulb without touching the glass, secure it, reconnect the connector, and reattach the access cover. Finally, reconnect the battery, test the headlights for proper beam pattern, and adjust aim if necessary for safe night driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.